It's our year-end celebration, and we give all of our top producers their well-deserved awards, and we try to make it a fun evening for everybody.
I think it's a celebration of everyone's talent getting together, and we all work really hard.
As a principal of Benoit Mizner Simon, I couldn't be prouder of the top 15 at our company. Their level of professionalism, their dedication, and their leadership in the marketplace.
The party is a reflection of the company in a lot of ways.
There is such energy. Our three principals show us how to do real estate right.
In marketing, advertising, and the level of support that you get is just phenomenal.
This whole business is about building relationships. We have three principals that are leading the way and continue to be at the top of their game.
That's what you get when you join our company, not just through the three principals, but I think there's a lot of cheerleaders within the agents themselves.
This year has been record-breaking, and a night like this really helps the culture relax.
I feel like we're really the new face of real estate.